Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix cannot add cards. The region setting for this device cannot be used with Apple Pay. So guys, if you are facing this problem while setting up your debit or credit card in your Apple ID in your iPhone and you are facing this pop-up again and again, here I will show you how can you easily get rid of this problem. So I simply watch this video till the end to fix this problem in your device. So what you have to do is that simply change the country or region in your device to fix this problem. So for that, simply open settings, and from here tap on your profile, and from here tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you will have to simply change your country or region according to your debit or credit card where Apple Pay is applicable. So I simply tap on this country or region option and wait for some seconds again. And from here tap on change country or region. Select your country or region where Apple Pay is available. So I select anyone from here. I am selecting United States and wait again for some seconds. And from here tap on agree, tap again on agree. So guys, from here you will have to simply add your debit or credit card details in here. So as add your debit or credit card number, date of expiry, and then security code, and make sure to enter a correct card number and the date of expiry, and check if your debit or credit card is expired or not. So as if it is expired, simply renew it, and after this add your billing information here, like billing name and then billing address here. So guys, add your zip code according to your state or city, and after this add your phone number here. So after this, save this information in your device and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you will have to simply sign out your Apple ID in your device, and then you will have to simply force restart your device, and then you will have to add your Apple ID in your device again to fix this problem. So for that, simply open settings, and from here tap on your profile, scroll it below and tap on sign out. So as you give here your passcode and sign out your Apple ID, and after this force restart your device by pressing and releasing the volume up button and then down button, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I simply do this, and after this add your Apple ID again in your iPhone, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.